Hi everyone. Today we will discuss about synchronous up and down counter. That means we previously discussed how to act as a up counter and how to act as a down counter. But can we do it together up and down? So here we are using one switch called as a mode M. When M is equal to 0, it acts as a something called as a up counter. When M is equal to 1, it can act as a down counter, how we are discussed in the asynchronous counter. So for this actually in the truth table we are discussing, see here, when M is equal to 0, it acts as a first 0 0, then 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. It nothing but up counter activity. When M is equal to 1, it acts as a down counter. So 1 1 0 0. First it is 1 1 here, then 1 0, then 0 1, then 0 0. It is counting downwards. So how to do this design? First you have to design as a up counter as it is here, but you have to take M as a 0. And similar way you have to do down counter and M is 1. So first we can decide how to do the stable diagram from the step 1. So in the state transition diagram, first we have to count as a something called a start number 00. There is a three possibility. Either it will go for 0 1 or it go for the 1 1 also. So we can make something like that. First we will do up counter. So it is 0 0, then it is 0 1, then it is 1 0, and finally it is 1 1. So this is nothing but up counter. So if you want to make down counter, we have to make like this. If it is going 0 to 0 1, then we are calling M is equal to 0. Similar way, 0 1 to 1 0, it is up counter. So M is equal to again 0. Again, if it is going for 0 1 to 1 1, again it is M value is 0 here. Again, if you going from 1 to 0 0, nothing but it is a M is equal to 0. These all are called as a up counter. Now, if you want as a something called as a down counter, so we have to think about that how we can be designed for down counter. So down counter, first it is going from the opposite way. If it is 1 1, it is going to the 1 0. So this condition we are calling as a M is equal to 1. Similar way, 1 0 to 0 1, and in this case also M is equal to 1, or 0 1 to 0 0, or 0 0 to 1 1. All these conditions M is equal to 1 we are calling. So this is the state diagram. It has two directions. We can call bidirection. This is depending upon the M value. If M is 0, it is acts as a up counter. M is 1, it acts as a down counter. Now we can go with the step 2. What is the state transition diagram? It is set of table from the present and next state. So present state we are calling QB and QA, and next state we may call QB plus and QA plus. So what happens to this one? When the 0 0, the previous state, it is nothing but 0 1. When 0 1, we know that 1 0 state, 1 0 to 1 1, 1 1 to 0 0. Similar way here, when 1 1 it is 1 0, 1 0 it is 0 1. It is nothing but this portion we are discussing about the down counter, and in this portion we are discussing about the up counter. So we can move on that. It is depending upon the M value. So we will go with the next one, that is how can be the excitation table can be designed. We know that excitation table we are doing for the JK flip-flop. So if it is changes from one state to one state, what is the particular JK required for that? Here first we will discuss on QB portion, what this QB changes to the QB plus and how we can be do that. So in the first portion we can have that it is both are 0 to 0. So 0 to 0 is 0 don't care. So we will go with the 0 don't care. Then it is going to 0 1 is nothing but 1 don't care, and then it is 1 to 0 here, sorry, 1 to 1, so it is don't care 0, and then last state it is 1 to 0, so don't care 1. Similar way we can go for the down counter also. In this case it is 1 to 1, so it is nothing but don't care 0, and then 1 to 0, so it is don't care 1, then it is 0 to 0, so it is 0 don't care, and last case it is 0 to 1, so it's nothing but 1 don't care. So this is the table what we got from the QB. Similar way we can go for the QA. So whatever in the QA, and this is we are calling something called QA plus. So what is the changes to the state? First one is 0 to 1. So 0 to 1 we know that it is 1 don't care, and then 1 to 0 in the next state. So 1 to 0 is nothing but don't care 1, and similar way next state is 0 to 1. So 0 to 1 we know that it is nothing but 1 don't care, and last one it is 1 to 0. So this will end with up counter and we have don't care 1. So this is how JAKA for up counter done. Similar way we can do for down counter. So here 1 and 0 is there. 1 to 0 we are going with don't care 1, and then we are doing with 0 1. So it is nothing but, sorry, it is 0 here and 1 here. So 0 to 1 is nothing but 1 don't care, and then we have 1 to 0 here. So 1 to 0 is nothing but don't care 1, and last case 0 to 1 in this case. So 0 to 1 is nothing but 1 don't care. From this diagram, see, JA and KA, there is nothing 0 present. All are present, 1 are don't care. If it is such a case as all present 1 are don't care and there is no particular zeros, then we can easily say that JA, KA, we can make it as a 1. Usually K-map is not required. Anyway, we can do for K-map if you require for that. First we can move on JB K-map. So this condition is M, and then we have something called QB and QA. So first we will take with the QB and QA where 0 0 here. So 0 0 it is nothing but 0. So first condition, the 0 0 in this state we have 0 only. Then 1 is present in which condition we have to check, that is 0 1 1 0 1 1, it is 1 don't care. So 1 don't care don't care. That condition JB is X, so all the 1 we can do as a X. Similar way 1 1 0 it is again X or don't care, so 1 1 0 is again don't care here. In this condition, the last one we can have that 1 0 0 it is 1. So 1 0 0 is nothing but this condition where it is 1. Now if you do the grouping, we can do grouping of this is 1 together, and we can do one more grouping, this one. So in the first condition it is M bar, and we can take here 0 1 cancel out, so QB cancel out and it is QA. Similar way plus we have when 1, that is nothing but M, so it is nothing but the condition of here 0 0 is remains same and 1 0 cancel out, so it is QA bar. So we can easily say that when M is there, that is down counter, we are taking complement 1, when we are taking up counter the uncomplement form. So this is for JB. Similar way we can go for the next one called KB. When you go for KB, we have first here don't care and 0 1. So go with that. First we can write don't care and 0 1. Similar way in the second condition, if all are 1 it is nothing but don't care. So all are 1 it is don't care, and you have to go opposite way. So next it is 0 1 don't care and 0 consists in a triple 1. So we have to go opposite way. So 0 1 and don't care. So in this condition, we can make as a grouping of this don't care one together, and we can make of one more group called one don't care. If you see the above picture, see here also the same grouping is consist one don't care, and here also don't care one. Here also same group. So we will get same equation. So we can call that KB is equal to JB. So we will get same formula. When you move for the next one, JA or KA, already I told all are present. So not worry about the K map. We can directly say that JA is equal to 1 because everything is present in the 1 or don't care. So all the grouping is possible. So we can make that JA. Similar way KA. So JA, KA both are is equal to 1 in this case. So when you do for the drawing of this one, so such a way that we have to do, we required there is a two type of the flip-flop required. One is nothing but A, we can call JA, another one we are calling as a KA. So this one we call JA and KA. Similar way we can draw one more called as a JB and KB and QB bar. So in this case we want the formula for JB. JB is nothing but M bar QA. So take some input like M and make it as a bar whenever required. So it is M bar into QA. So take M bar here, QA here. Both are AND gate because it is connected to the next R with M QA bar. So take M from here and QA bar is something like this, and both are AND gate, and now you can do the OR gate here and connect it to JB. So this is the condition for the JB, and we know that JB is equal to KB. Simply short the term here to the KB portions. And we know that JA, KA both are 1. So make short of JA, KA 1 and make it this one high. And take clock as a, in this case we have synchronous. So both the clock whatever we have to short. This is the diagram for the up and down counter. This is all depend upon this M value. M, whenever it is 0, this both act as a up counter. When M is equal to 1, this both act as a down counter.